Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to join a live stream on Telegram step by step. Whether you're catching a live event, a group hangout, or a special broadcast, the process is fast and simple. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your phone or desktop. Once you're in, go to the channel or group that's hosting the live stream. You'll usually find a notification or banner at the top of the chat when someone goes live. When you see the live stream banner, just tap the join option at the top of the chat. That's your ticket right into the live session. Telegram will take you directly to the live stream, no waiting, no complicated steps. As soon as you join, the live stream starts playing instantly. You can now sit back and enjoy what's happening in real time. It could be a news update, a Q&A, a music session, or even a large group discussion. Whatever it is, you're part of the moment the second you join. And the fun doesn't stop there. While watching, you can use Telegram's interactive tools to react and comment during the live. Share your thoughts, drop emojis, or start a conversation right in the chat. It's a great way to connect with others watching along with you. If the live stream is hosted by a channel, you'll still be able to react to messages, while comments may appear in a connected group. It keeps the conversation smooth and lively without leaving the live feed. When you're done watching, simply exit the live stream as you would close any other chat or media window. Telegram will save where you left off if you decide to jump back in later. And that's it. Joining a live stream on Telegram is that easy. Open the app, go to your desired group or channel, tap join at the top, and enjoy. Now you know exactly how to tune in live whenever someone goes on air.